We're learning phrasal verbs today. We pop in every clever way. I'll say the phrase, then what it means, then give an example so it's easily seen. Poppin' means to visit quickly for a short time, not too tricky. I'm gonna pop into the post office today to buy some stamps, then I'll be on my way. Pop out means to leave for a bit, just for a short time, that's it. I just popped out to move my car. I'll be back in a minute, not very far. Pop on means to put something on, like clothing or an object, then you're done. It's a bit chilly, I think I'll pop on a sweater. That will make me feel much better. Pop means to appear suddenly, quickly and unexpectedly. I was reading an article when a weird notification popped up on my screen. It came out of nowhere, so fast and keen. Pop over or pop round means to visit a friend for a short time, a quick little spin. Why don't you pop over to my place for coffee this afternoon? Come pop round later, I hope you can soon. So now you know these pop phrases well. Use them in speech and you'll do